Hi, this is Lici Lady Barber. In this video, I will demonstrate a comb-over skin fade. You'll want to analyze the hair, head shape, and bone structure before executing the haircut to determine the shape and where you will place the fade. Our model has coarse straight hair. His head shape supports a squared balanced shape. I'm going for a mid-fade to support the length that I will be preserving on the top of the head. Start with your clipper closed, using short strokes to cut out your cutting line. Work against the grain and be sure to rock your clipper from toe to heel when reaching the weight line. Stop at the center back and resume at the front of the hairline to maintain balance. Check for balance at the temple peak points. For a smooth fade, I chose to razor shave zone 1 with Maverick Shave Cream. Squeeze into a bowl and mix with some water for a rich lather. Apply onto the scalp 1 inch beneath the cutting line using circular motions, then begin the shave. The shave cream contains barley seed extract and coconut to help reduce the appearance of razor bumps. Depending on the growth pattern, you may have to shave against the grain. Dry the skin and blend the skin line with a trimmer. You may also polish with a clipper close if needed. Create the next transition line with your clipper open. The length of the transition will depend on the head shape and the desired end result. The goal here is to maintain balance as you work around the head shape. Keep the blade flat against the scalp and rock away as you work towards the next weight line. Notice that I'm working my way up the head. This is because I want more control over the fade. Once I complete the blend up to the open clipper position, my focus will shift to controlling the shape of the haircut. Using a number 2 attachment comb in the closed position, work the clipper in a horizontal diagonal position, gliding the tool away from the face. You may need to adapt positions according to the hair growth patterns, its texture, and formation. This will set your stopping point and aid in preserving the length at the parietal ridge. Repeat on the opposite side. Next, blend down with a number 1 attachment comb. When blending towards the bottom of the transition line, close your clipper and work in short strokes. When working the upper region of the transition line, open the guard and you work using longer cutting strokes. Use the corners of the clipper to diffuse the weight line. Shift down to a 1/16 attachment comb and continue blending. Now I'm choosing to cut clipper over comb at the parietal ridge. First, I'm going to clip away the hair just above the recession and let the rest of the hair fall into place. The goal is to remove excess weight here to support the style. To blend weight, work the clipper perpendicularly against the comb. This side will be disconnected since he combs his hair in the opposite direction. Clip away the hair right at the recession for balance. Saturate the hair on top of the head and prep for the style with Maverick Grooming Cream to add a light workable hold. Blow dry in a directional method at the crown to lay the hair flat. At the sides and front of the head, leaf the hair for added volume and work the hair into place. Dry the hair in its natural distribution. The hair typically meets along the center of the parietal plate. The direction will depend on the client. The goal in this area is to texture the hair so that the hair sits comfortably in place, creating room for the hair to live. Notice the hold on the style, yet I'm still able to work through the hair as needed. Along the side of the head, I'm using blending scissors at the ends of the hair to soften the texture. Here's a visual of the cut pre-styled. To edge up the hairline, use a small clip to control the hair. Tilt the head down and start at the center of the forehead. Then work towards the lighter side, followed by the fuller side of the hairline. Then move on to the temple region. Apply Maverick Blade Slip along the hairline for a smooth razor glide. This cream applies clear for greater visibility. For a medium hold and added volume, apply Maverick Dry Paste at the scalp, then work your way up towards the ends. Add the final touches to detail and personalize the look. Apply Maverick Skin Tonic to freshen the skin in the areas where you have shaved. Finally, apply Maverick Cooling Aftershave to cool and freshen the skin.